lava lamp is gonna catch on fire down there. Ta-da!
No.
It's past my bedtime. It's already 8:30.
It is? Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Hello, this is the Brandon Taylor challenge.
What?
I know it. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome. No. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with
Me.
Marla Catherine.
I look so annoyed. I promise I'm not. I'm just tired.
Why are you so tired? It's only 8. So today I'm gonna be doing her makeup.
She's trying to make me look a little bit better.
But there's a twist. I'm gonna be blindfolded. Are you kidding me, Marla, right now?
Sorry, I was just trying to make memories.
You get the red one, I get the blue one. I'm gonna be doing, no wait. First, I'm gonna be doing her makeup, but blindfolded, and then she's gonna do my makeup blindfolded, so.
I'm so excited for this.
I'm so excited. So she gave me this bag of makeup. This isn't my own makeup, so it's gonna be a little,
It's like
little
really
different.
trashy.
It's not trashy. She's got some cool makeup.
She's got some pretty cool. You're supposed to be a beauty guru.
Oh my gosh! She's got some pretty good, cool makeup. I'm here at a beauty guru's. She's got some good makeup.
The Hoola bronzer, that's the one product you can rely on.
So, I'm gonna be using her makeup. It's gonna be a little different, but I'm excited.
Why is there deodorant in there?
You gotta stay fresh. So first I'm gonna be using the deodorant.
It's a really good primer. Sometimes it clogs your pores and makes you have acne and a little bit of death, but it's good.
A little bit of depth.
Doing a full face of makeup on me
In 10 minutes.
in 10 minutes.
And I don't know what any of these products are, so
It makes it that much better.
pray for me, honestly.
And she's gonna be blindfolded too.
Do we mention that I'm gonna be blindfolded, guys? Did you read the title yet? Because I'm gonna be blindfolded.
You know, I wondered, how do blind people use just do technology? I mean, why is it so late? It's only 8:35.
Yeah, we're getting ready for the club. I can't see a thing. Do I look good?
Ready,
Start out with-
set, go.
I'm gonna be starting
It's cold.
with a moisturizer. My acrylic nails are gonna look so creepy, like all over your face. So this is the 4 collection moisturizer. I know that because I looked at it. Next, we're gonna be using BB cream. Where is it? I know it's in here.
Wait, it's in your hand. Lift up. Now drop. There you go. Your
Yes!
yeah.
So we're gonna be putting it on.
Oh. This is a prom get ready with me.
Okay. So now we're gonna need a beauty blender. I can't
There's
talk.
not one in there.
Oh.
Here is a small loan of $1 million.
Thank you, Trump. This is not the right brush.
No, it's not. Why'd you smell it and then say it's not the right brush? You have a solid 7 minutes left.
Only 7 minutes? That's all I only have it for.
Okay, now what do you want?
No, I still want to do it. For
funsies?
For schnitz and sniggles.
I went on my nostril. Do you really think that's my eye?
Is it not? I really do think it is. Wait. Stop moving. Okay. I know that was a tart-shaped tape because I've had experience with it before.
How? How do you
use it?
know why, like?
Because it's a thick concealer and it unscrews and it's a thing.
There's a lot of thick concealer.
Not on my watch. So now we're gonna use some setting powder. Are you trying to get away from me?
You have a solid 4 minutes left.
Oh my gosh, no!
What do you want?
Bronzer.
Oh.
Come on. Work with me here. I want to make you look good. This is my everyday makeup routine. Put it on my forehead. And now we chisel out the cheekbones. Yeah, you're doing a fish face?
Mm-hmm.
So next we're doing a really fast blush.
None of those are blush.
We're just going to dip into this guy here.
Just a little dip.
Tip it off, find the apples of the cheeks, and blend upward. I feel like she's just trying to get away from me. Why are you licking me?
I'm not licking you.
Okay. Next. Now we're using a stick highlighter. Now for brows.
It's already open. You're good. Let's do a Q&A. Once upon a time.
That's not a Q&A.
Oh. It's my hairline.
This is so hard. Okay.
What was your first celebrity crush?
Ste F. I saw him in High School Musical and I knew. Eyeshadow. Okay. This is just bound to be good.
I'm so excited. I one time won a spelling bee in the 4th grade.
Wow!
Yeah, so like I won in the class and then I went on to the school one and I got up there and they gave me the word potato and I spelled it wrong.
Are you kidding me?
So when I sat down, I look like a bronze goddess.
Okay, wait, where's mascara? Oh, that's a fat tube.
It's a carrot.
I'm ready. Hey, can I... Where's mascara? Is she doing it herself, guys?
I could walk out of the room and you wouldn't even know.
I'm not gonna puncture your eyelids, don't worry.
That'd be pretty good if you actually got my eyelashes.
Now the last step is setting spray. And this is the completed look. 1, 2,
3.
I'm inhaling it!
Are you okay, bro?
She looks like a mouse!
22, 23, 24, 25,
Logan Paul.
27, 28, 29, 30. Thanks, Logan Paul, for teaching me how to count. Fog up the camera lens.
Is this mascara?
Knew what you were doing, yeah.
Now you gotta be blindfolded, girl.
I really am. I just am really tired.
You gotta get your head in the game, Marla. It's freaking like 8:30. I really want to order chip. Yeah, chip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, she is not even in the ballpark. That was a nice. Oh. Come on, Marla. Get your head in the game.
Your skin is so smooth.
Thank you.
What the heck?
And then I have some mountains.
Well, we all have some meadows inside of our mountains.
What? Ah! You put it on your fingertips?
Okay, where's the brush? You don't really want to melt it into your skin. Your skin is so smooth. I can't even understand.
Thank you so much.
Now what? Bronzer.
Bronzer. This one.
When you're a beauty guru, you can do anything.
Yeah.
I would wink, but I have a bandana on my face.
A bandana.
Wait, that's
She's pressing so hard.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not in pain, but it's just funny. You're like really.
I'm trying to like blend it.
Thank you. You're doing great. You're
Doing great, sweetie. Ah, Jinx, what
What am I supposed to say? California?
Yeah.
Why
Because
California?
it like takes the same amount of time to say.
You have 6 minutes. What are you going for?
I'm literally trying to get your jaw.
Okay.
Go like this.
What?
I can make your bottom lip look plump.
Oh my gosh, does that actually work?
Yeah.
Tips.
I'm gonna contour your nose.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. She whipped it out and oh my. Oh wow, you're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Oh, great. Now I have a unibrow. I'm so excited. For all of you guys commenting that I have a unibrow, it's true. I do.
I'm gonna add some flames.
You just broke it. The whole tip just came off. She's cut off.
I was gonna add some flames because it's gonna be like a fire makeup tutorial, but
A fire makeup.
you realize how late it is?
It's not even late.
It's so late.
It's past your bedtime though. You have 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I've never looked better. Thank you so much, Marla.
You're welcome. I can do this every day.
Which palette do you want?
Subcultured. So I'm going for a cut crease.
Oh, good.
Why are your eyebrows wet?
Because you went ham with the brow shot.
I don't know if you're like licking your eyebrows or something.
Yeah, I licked them just for you.
Smiley.
Are you kidding?
Blush.
Blush? You're in the weirdest order. Oh no, your time is up.
Turn it off.
Okay. No, you're not using your makeup. Get that away from me. Oh yes! Artistic! Oh my gosh. Yeah? Not quite. No. Oh.
Highlighter.
Okay, which highlighter do you want?
All of them.
Coming right up. Oh,
Thanks.
that's really good.
Do it myself.
You're doing great, sweetie. Thanks. First, let me about the
Okay, now mascara.
Oh my gosh, I'm really nervous. My word. That's not my eye.
What was that?
That was my eyebrow.
Oh.
Oh, she's actually getting it.
Okay, I think that's it.
Oh no, now I have lipstick on my chin.
Nice.
I smell like a baby.
What? That's pretty good. I like the unibrow.
Wait, do I look good?
You have to admit, the highlight looks really good.
The highlight does look good.
I love how it made your eyes like look like so small, even though they're not.
Yeah, you did. It's really past my bedtime. Yeah. Ah! High five! I'm just kidding. Are you okay?
I have like flexible fingers, so they can do the splits.
So anyway, that was
all for today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a like, comment, subscribe.
No!
Do you not want them to subscribe?
No. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment.
If that didn't convince you to subscribe, I don't know what will.
So, also, we did a video on her channel, and she's just showing off. We did a thrifting video on her channel. It was really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched all the way to this point, I want you to comment
Apples and bananas.
If you like this video, you're probably gonna like my other videos too. So you should definitely subscribe. I post every Friday. Sorry if we're being really annoying. Shout out to the McBabe of the week.
Thanks, babe. I love you too, even though you're not a Mckeen either.
A McCathrin.
McClackler. I don't have any names.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in